Alright, so I'm going to show how to disable your touchscreen if you cracked the glass but your screen is okay. So maybe your glass cracked and then it'll start like making these little bubbles everywhere. So if you see when I tap the screen, it's making these little bubbly things. So if your computer's doing that and you're having a hard time clicking anything, what you'll want to do if you're able to, when you start your computer, hold the left shift key and then click restart. So whatever boot screen you're on, if you can go to the restart. So like if you were holding this, and then you can hold the shift key and then go to restart. I'm not going to do that, but it'll go into recovery menu. You can troubleshoot, and then you can go into startup options and change it to safe mode. And hopefully that will disable your touchscreen. If it doesn't, then you'll have to try doing it with your screen going all crazy. So one way you can do that, it'll be kind of tough because your mouse might be clicking all over the place. But if you're able to, what you want to do is get into the device manager. You do this by going into the Windows key, right click that thing, and then you can go to the device manager. The other way is if you go to the Windows, the start menu, and then you just type in device manager. Okay, so you can do that and it'll pop up device manager. You can go in there. All right, so these are the ways you can get into the device manager. Once you get in the device manager, if you're in safe mode, it might disable it automatically. So you might have to go to this view and then show hidden devices. Once you do that, then you can go to, sorry, the focus is going crazy. Once you do that, then you can go into, let's see, this human interface devices. And then you'll see this compliant or touchscreen. It might be something different for yours, but it'll say touch something like touchscreen or touch whatever. And then all you do is just click disable device. Once you do that, click yes, and then your touchscreen will be disabled. This only disables it in Windows, so once you log in, it'll be disabled. So here you can see now it shows this little disabled arrow thingy. Yeah, so if your screen is acting crazy because some cracks in the glass, if your LCD is completely fine, like you see it all like perfectly fine, you just have like the little glass crack and then your screen starts going crazy, then you can easily fix that by doing that. Sorry, it's going crazy again. But yeah, so this also works even if your glass isn't broken. I've had some where the glass isn't broken, but for some reason maybe liquid got inside or something, and then the screen starts just going crazy and like tapping all over the place. But yeah, that's how you would fix that problem. So I've had a few other ways that I've been told that are possible. One way is you can plug in a USB mouse, an external mouse, and also plug in an external monitor. And then when you do that, just shut the screen of your laptop and it hopefully will keep your laptop running. And if your laptop's running on with that, then you can use the mouse, right click the little thing up there and go through all the steps to disable this. So that's probably a better way to do it if your screen is going really crazy. But if it's only like slowly tapping once in a while, then you can do this manually just with the regular way. So hopefully this video helped you, because usually replacing those touchscreen glasses are very expensive. So yeah, if you don't really need to use the touchscreen and you just want your computer to work like normal and not be pressing all over the screen, then that's a quick, easy workaround for you. Yep, so hopefully that video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe because that'll help me, and thank you for watching. Bye.